Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing updates method and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new video. With that being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can use 9Proxy to solve your TikTok non-messaging. I'll show you what I mean by your TikTok non-messaging. If you are messaging someone and your TikTok is showing violation, this is how you solve it with your 9Proxy stand. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, if I go head over to my TikTok stand, so let's say let me go to my TikTok, account, go to the message. So then let me try and message this guy here. Let me try and message this guy here. So let me type any random stuff here. Then you can see it now. This message may be in violation of our community. You can see the message when I send it, it doesn't go. So to solve this issue is very simple. You need to get your 9Proxy, and the 9Proxy is not all TikTok. Note, it's not all TikTok that is compatible with this method stand. But if you try it out, if it works for you, that means you are good to go. Because normal, it's not local TikTok. It's not TikTok that it works for. So you have to have your Europe TikTok, like UK, US, all those kind of accounts you stand to be able to get past. You can try it on your Nigeria account also. So just go to your 9Proxy. 9Proxy now has an app, but you can only use it very well on your Android. If you use it on your iPhone, it's not working properly. So it is advised to use the app on your Android. So let me just go to the app. There's a way you use it on Android before. It's still the same way you use it on iPhone. You can use that method also. Just you download your Super Proxy, then you check the video on my channel so that you know what I'm talking about. So if you want to connect now, maybe you're on this your 9Proxy stand, we see different different Proxy on this list. You see different IP on this list. So the IP we will go for is called the Comcast cable. It's not only Comcast cable. Make sure if you are checking for Comcast cable, make sure you check for the one that maybe Comcast cable, ASN 92 stuff like that. So let's just check and let me see whether we will see the one I'm talking about. So you have different Comcast cable and we have different IP here. So just follow my process. Start. Okay, see the cable I'm talking. This is it. Like this now. This AS7922 Comcast cable LLC. So let's try this out. Normally I love to use New York City because that is very good. If you see, you can still keep scrolling because this thing is, it refreshes. Enter, you scroll up, it will refresh. Enter, you scroll to the right, it will, and come back, it will refresh. So let's just try this out. Let's see whether it will work. So let me click on it and then click on connect to this Proxy. So it's very easy to use the app. So once you connect, let's see if it connects. Now our connection is our Proxy has been connected. So let's confirm if this is actually working. Let's confirm if you are connected successfully. So you go to your let's go to my browser stand. Let's check for word.net. So let's check the IP if it is correct. So to confirm our IP before we proceed. So there may be a case that maybe the thing is making your network slow. Just that I say the best one to use is Comcast cable. This Comcast cable, and make sure you see, if you see New York City is okay, but let's try this out. This is another city, so I want to try it out and check, because if you use that New York City, it will be faster than this instance. So let's just check if we can use this also. This which city is that? It's still on Comcast table, the ISP. What I mean by ISP is different from the city. The city we are in is I forgot the city, but this is the ISP. You should find this ISP, AS7922 Comcast Cable Communication LLC. That is the ISP you should make sure you're connected to. So now we head over to our TikTok and check if you can message, the same person. So I'll be checking this guy again. Let's check it. You type Ola again. You can see it now. It's very sharp. As you can see, it's not something that I deleted. As you can see, I messaged the guy today, which I'm doing this video, 12:19. It didn't went through. Then I went to on my Proxy, and you see it now, 12:25. I dropped the same message. I didn't delete it, the same message, and it went through. That is that on that. That is how to solve your TikTok. If you enjoyed this video so far, kindly like, subscribe, and make sure you join my Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel for more updates. Understand? See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.